Hey, what's up everybody? It's currently 9:51 and I just woke up and got ready and everything. I'm gonna head to Phillips Park in Newark, Delaware and meet up with Jarrett, and we're getting an early morning sesh. Alright, so there is absolutely no one here at Phillips Park. So I'm gonna get my scoot out and just gonna go warm up and I'll film you guys some clips. Alright, since I'm the only one here and Jared's still like 15 minutes away, I'm gonna still film you guys some clips. You finally decided to show up. Finally have some water.
Wisps. CCX.
Look, you made it for the vloggy. Alright, so we're leaving Phillips now. Super hot.
Making another webisode. Can I be featured in this webisode?
Anyways, we're probably gonna go to Wawa now, and then after that, probably gonna go to this local swimming pool.
Focus.
Not pool, this swimming hole.
It's a swamp with a waterfall.
Yeah, there's like a waterfall and a rope swing and stuff. So I'll probably get the GoPro out for that. So yeah, probably meet you there. Peace out.
I need it!
Essentials.
Ugly. Ew.
Hey Dad, I know I've let you down a lot.
Alright, so Kyle just got here. Now we're gonna head to Alapocas.
What? We're on our way to Alapocas. You got anything to say to me?
Saying school kids.
What about you, BK? Struggle of being a young black man. Tell me about it.
Huh?
Oh man.
We're here.
We're going to Berrigan State Park soon. I want to bite. What are you gonna fix your bike for?
So we gotta walk this like mile-long path down to the actual place.
A mile long, you're boosting.
Alright, it's not a mile long. We gotta walk a path. Shut up. Down to the place. And I think it rained last night or the night before or something, so it's really muddy. But we're making our way down. And when we get down there, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro so I don't get this DSLR wet. That was 12 feet tall. There's a rope swing.
It looks gross.
So we just got here. I have to switch to the GoPro now. finished. Out of focus. We're gonna go back now. I think the Kyles are gonna go home when we get back. And then me and Nick are gonna head up to York Skatepark in PA. We just got dressed and everything. Now we're heading up to York. Meet you there. Get it, get it, get it, get it! Ah! What the hell was that? Alright, so we're pulling up to York now. We're gonna warm up and set the park. So here's some clips.
What up, Brown Squad? So we're here, we made it to York. This is the new section they just redid. This is our first time riding it. So we're just here testing it out and trying to get some clips.
Price you gotta pay. My hand pretty bad. It's starting to bruise. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know what happened to it. Hit it pretty bad. Doesn't hurt though, so I don't know what's going on. It's bruised right there though. Alright, so we just finished up a good session at York, got a couple clips. Felt pretty hard, hence still in pain. But we're gonna go get food now. We may or may not come back, we don't know. There's a lot of people, but yeah, so we're gonna go get food at some pizza place probably. Closed.